Nikurari na githagathago taoni-ini ya Garissa ria maabithaa bodi ya guthurima uigiririki wa dawa niyo Pharmacy and Poisons Board marahitanaga na Endia hamwe na ahuthiri a dawa itakinyaniirie ikiro. Hindi ya frikisheni no Endia tandatu wa dawa ni maraikirio ngono wa kunyitikana makiendia dawa muthemba wa codeine ira ikoretwo ikihuthirwo ni ahuthiri a miraa.
We are finding a situation where young men are hawking prescription drugs, and this habit and trend has been there for a very long time, and we are warning them. These are prescription drugs. If they are used badly, it can harm, and what we are saying is we have managed to arrest so far more than 6, and a lot of them have run away, and they are taking us to where they are buying from, the chemists, and these are only prescription drugs. When we have them, people hawking them like njugu and groundnuts and all that, we will do everything we can to arrest all of them, and this is a warning shot to them.
Uhuthiri wa miraa ni ukoretwo gicagira uhuthiri wa dawa ici iribatie kuhuthirwo kugacirithia ugima wa mweri ukirumirwo watho wa ndagitari uduri ni ugwati munene. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura wa Ndungu.